Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you apply for the Romania Government Scholarship 2025. First, you'll need to confirm your eligibility, ensuring you meet all the criteria before preparing your application. Next, gather all the necessary documents, carefully checking each requirement to avoid delays. Then, we'll walk through the online submission process, making sure your application is complete and correctly submitted. Finally, I will share some essential tips to boost your chances of success, providing a clear path from start to finish. To qualify for the scholarship, you must be a citizen from a country outside the European Union or European Economic Area. You'll need to have completed your previous level of study. For instance, a high school diploma for undergraduate programs or a bachelor's degree for master's. Furthermore, it's important that you have not previously received a scholarship from the Romanian government for studies, ensuring new opportunities for more applicants. Verify these points carefully before proceeding, as they are fundamental requirements. For a successful application, several key documents are essential. You'll need a clear scanned copy of your passport, specifically the pages with your photo and personal data. Additionally, prepare academic transcripts and diplomas from all previous studies, ensuring they are officially recognized. A detailed curriculum vitae and a compelling letter of intent explaining your academic goals are also required. Lastly, include a medical certificate confirming your good health, and remember to have all documents translated into one of the accepted languages: English, French, or Romanian. The application process is primarily online, managed through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs (ME) scholarship platform. Begin by visiting their official website and locating the scholarship section for 2025, where you will create your personal applicant account. Carefully complete every section of the application form, providing accurate and truthful information about your academic history and personal details. Once the forms are filled, meticulously upload all your scanned and translated documents to the portal, double-checking that each file meets the size and format requirements before final submission. To maximize your chances, submit your application well in advance of the official deadline, which usually falls in March. This gives you ample time to address any potential technical issues or missing documents. Thoroughly review every single document you've uploaded, confirming its clarity, accuracy, and proper translation. After submission, the selection process typically takes a few months, with results usually announced during the summer. Stay patient and monitor your email for updates from the ministry, as this is how they will communicate with you regarding your application status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.